Our topic is all about combination reaction. Combination reaction is a reaction that involves two or more substances to form a new compound. The 5 types of combination reaction is...
Now, Deluna will explain the first type of combination reaction.
Metal reacts with non-metal to form binary compound.
Now, Cleo, explain.
4 atoms of aluminum reacts with 3 atoms of oxygen to form 2 atoms of aluminum oxide.
Now, Malubay will explain the second type of combination reaction.
Second type of combination reaction, non-metal reacts with oxygen to form non-metal oxide.
The Cervantes explain.
The carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide.
Kabigayan explain.
Sample, 2 atoms of carbon reacts with oxygen to form 2 atoms of carbon dioxide.
Now, Miranda, explain the third type of combination reaction.
Third type of combination reaction is metal oxide reacts with water to form metal hydroxide or base.
Close explain.
Calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide.
Dacalios, explain the fourth type of combination reaction.
What type of combination reaction is non-metal oxide
Acid water. Acid water.
with water to form
Acid.
acid.
Now, sa landanan, explain.
Sulfur oxide reacts with water to form sulfuric acid.
The 5 type of combination reaction is metal oxide reacts with non-metal oxide to form salt.
Okay na lahat.
Lahat ng mga
Magnesium oxide reacts with sulfite to form magnesium sulfate.